Hello, happy years! It is me again, Happy Jane. Now, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you will be notified for my next. So today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do or how to have some sound effect like clapping effect, like funny effect in your vlogging using of course, your BM at 100 mic condenser, and also with, this is very important guy. This guy is a very cute guy but very important. V8 sound card. Using this very simple guy, this guy playing a lot of role, okay? So using your V8 sound card, you can have your sound effect in your vlog, okay? Because sometimes if we are beginner, we don't know how to get this clapping effect, this funny effect, you know? So you can get all that from your V8 sound card, and it is sure that you will not get copyright because this is your own video. So using with your recording while you are recording with your camera, okay? So I'm gonna show you. This little guy can do a lot of things. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you. So here, okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, for example, laugh, cheer, clap, clapping, embarrass, run, kiss, oh, despise, debow,
I like it, I love it, I want some more of it.
song swan,
Zile zile, zile zile eu alerg chiar mile mile, mile mile pe mai. Zile zile, zile
song two, kiss. So, can you imagine you have a lot of option to add a sound effect in your vlog using this V8 sound card. That is mostly the sound effect that needed in the vlog, right? So with the simple V8 sound card, you can make your vlog more alive and joyful. So that's all. So that's all for this video, because maybe you don't know that what your V8 sound card can do and can help you in your vlog. While you are editing, you can record and you can add in your video and in your vlog. And even like a simple, just like this conversation, you know, some people when you do a live streaming, and you put some effect, so you can just simply click one of those effects to click in your live streaming, right? Because in your vlogging, while you are editing, maybe you can take some sound effect from others or from other source, but when you do your live streaming, okay, while you are doing live, so you can just easily press any of those sound effects to make your live streaming active and more fun, right? So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy your vlogging. And also, if you find this video helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to help me to grow this channel, and hit also the bell button so that you will be notified in my next video. See you, happy years, in my next video. Bye!